Hey, welcome back. So we're going to try and deal with these printer issues. So I have this, I have him loaded up here in the 3D tool section of Shapeways. And so there's still an issue with wall thickness. And it's definitely better, but you can see there's a little bit issue here. There's a little bit of an issue here. Still doesn't like the wires, so I think we're just going to take those out. There's something going on inside, as you can see here. Not sure what that is, but we'll see if we can fix that. So that's a couple of shots. This one, it's because it comes to too much of a fine point. So we might be able to either just print it like that, or there's an idea that I have that we could do to fix that. And let's see, this one, I have an idea to fix that. It's pretty simple. And this one, we're either gonna blend this all the way up into here, thicken it even more. We just might get rid of this little space here. It's just being really finicky. So anyway, very close. This is the hard part, and maybe not necessarily the fun part of 3D printing, but it's just the reality of it. So you learn this, you start to see things for yourself, and you can fix it easy, or just get to a situation where you just avoid it altogether because you know what'll work and what won't work. So, all right. So let's go back and let's go in here, and the first thing we're going to do is delete and delete. Just not working. We're going to do this part here. So let's just, I'm just going to pull this right up there. Do the same with this one. Going to pull it down, and I might even thicken it a little more. No, don't want to do that. That's asking for trouble. All right, I think, let's see how that goes. Actually, let's pull this down a little bit. No, actually, I'm going to leave that. Okay. And this part back here. So let's use our handy work plane. Okay, and then use our red cube. Just kind of scale it down. We're going to fit it in there, and use that to thicken things up. And let's push that down in there. And let's turn this to 0.25. Let's hit F to frame it. I'm just going to turn it into a hole so I can see. Alright, let's go that thick. And let's just rotate it just a little bit. There we go. And I'm going to undo that, and I'm going to undo the rotation. Now you want to do this stuff if you want to keep things even. You want to do it before you rotate it. Okay. And let's just move it in. Actually, this doesn't need to be that long. I'll just push this in. There we go. And let's just rotate it. On the outside dial, so you have finer control. Okay. And let's just a little more. No, I want it thick. There we go. And then I'm gonna switch this to 0.1. I just want and then let's change it to the right color. No, that's not it. What color is this? Okay. Let's just move it over just a little bit. Okay. And I just want to tilt it just a little bit. Okay, so I think that'll help with that. And let's see, let's go back. What else do we need to thicken up? So we took care of that. We took care of the wires. All right, that's right, the interior stuff. So I'm gonna ungroup that. Really, I'm gonna ungroup that again. I want to get this, whoa. I didn't want to do that. So let's undo. Okay. Okay, so let's put the work plane back down. So I think what it is this interior cutting cylinder is a little, just need to raise it up a bit. So I'm going to bring that up and we'll see if that works. See if that works. See if that fixes this issue. Okay, so let's just check and see if we've hit all the things we need to do. There were issues. I think we took care of the inside parts, took care of the wire, did this. We thickened it up in the back. I keep thinking this is going to be an issue, but it doesn't bring it up, so just leave it alone. And let's go back and let's send this over. So go to Design, Order a 3D Print, Shapeways, Print 3D Colors, Continue Printing. Okay, now I just wait for the auto checks. Okay, so it came through all the checks. And let's see how it did on sandstone. So it still has some issues. Let's take a look. Wall thickness. All right. So it's still having an issue with that. So we'll just probably have to close that. Expected that to stay that way. And oh wow, that still doesn't like that. Man, that is picky. And so there's something it's not liking. Something inside here appears to be this. I don't know why it's creating this. That should be thick. That should not be an issue. So we'll check that in the next video. Thanks for watching. And if you like what you see and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe.